This chapter is an attempt to highlight the concepts and significance of strategic management. With increased competition, business management has acquired a strategic dimension. All executives and professionals, including chartered accountants working towards growth of businesses, must possess sound knowledge of concepts of strategic management. So, this chapter aims to explain the concepts and importance of strategic management. In today's world, competition is increasing in every industry. Because of this, business management is no longer limited to routine planning or daily operations. It now requires a strategic approach that helps organizations move in the right direction and achieve long-term success. Strategic management gives a clear vision about where a business wants to go and how it plans to reach there. It involves understanding the business environment, setting goals, creating strategies, and ensuring that these strategies are implemented properly. When a company uses strategic management, it becomes more prepared to face challenges, respond to market changes, and take advantage of new opportunities. For executives and professionals, including chartered accountants, having strong knowledge of strategic management is very important. They play a key role in guiding business decisions, analyzing risks, and supporting growth plans. When they understand strategic concepts, they can contribute better to the organization's performance and help in achieving long-term goals. In short, strategic management is not just a subject. It is an essential skill for anyone involved in business growth and decision-making. This chapter introduces these ideas and sets the foundation for deeper learning in the chapters ahead.